How do I apply for an auto loan? To start the process, log on to your online banking. Once logged in, click the Explore Products tab at the top of your screen and select Apply for a New Loan. You will be directed to the Apply for a Loan page, and there you can select the type of vehicle loan you would like. To complete your application, you will need to provide a few pieces of information, such as your current income and housing cost or status. If you're applying for a vehicle loan and you don't know what type of car you want, that's okay. You can still start the application process. Not sure how much to apply for? Request the amount that you feel comfortable with. If you request more than you need, once you've selected your vehicle, we can always make the loan amount for what you actually need. If you don't request enough, we can make adjustments to the loan amount with an additional review of the loan application. Once your application is completed, you'll submit it, and our team will get to work reviewing your information and determining whether we can offer you a loan that fits your needs. If you have push notifications enabled on your RBFCU mobile app, you'll get a push notification with a decision within minutes of your loan being reviewed. If you don't have the app, we'll reach out to you on your preferred method of contact, and we'll let you know that your loan is being reviewed and has been completed. From there, you can complete the final steps to finalizing your loan.